Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on NUBIA Z60 Ultra. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. Then click open. And now click agree and continue. Now you can close this ad. And here click allow and click consent. Now you can click this button to start your VPN and then click OK. Now you can close this ad. And as you can see, now I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.